This is a Roger Dodger 49er. Getting a little more personal with my workspace. I just made a video for that little BMW piece, which that's me cleaning it. Got me some special tools to clean it with, which I don't know where that thing is. Anyway, my hammer. And I have my little scraper thing. So you can see a little area here. That's my favorite motorcycle ever. Not the Cowie, but I do like the Cowie, but that one right there, that's what I ride all the time. One of my bicycles, which I got some other ones. They're mountain bike. I never ride that bike. My wife says I need to get rid of it. Because riding on the road is pretty dangerous, but so is riding motorcycles. This one's GPZ 985. Got a little problem, but this is my workspace. The basic requirements, which that's my modification of the GPZ 900 airbox, which is kind of a pain in the neck to get in. So I just sawed the back off of it. Very modification. These little pieces. That's the fiberglass from my fix. A little Bondo stuff and some other stuff. Some of my tools. A little glass of wine gotta have there. That is a wrestling tournament I was in 1986. Yeah. And I got my tools over here. Got some other stuffs. And you see there in the back is that red one, that RT R80. Yeah. So this is kind of my little place where I do all my stuff. Got my rigid thing there. Car stuffs. Anyway, it's a little insight into my workspace. You know, if you don't have a dirty workspace, I don't think you're doing much. But anyway, that's just my personality. Roger Dodger signing out.